there I am. There.
Yeah, but he died when he sinned. You believe that you're a sinner?
That's what
You believe that you're a sinner? You believe that you're a sinner? I'm a sinner. But I take a free gift. I say I'm a wicked old sinner. And Satan,
so
you
why
can do that
should you
too.
shame me? Only God should shame me. Why should you put this?
Because I'm doing God's work. I'm a minister of God.
God.
It says it right here. I'm a minister of God. I'm a born again Christian. I love you. I don't hate you. I love you. The devil hates you.
Oh, of course.
I love you.
The devil hates you? Who's
No,
the devil?
the devil's a lie. He's going to hell. Hell will pay for the devil's angel. That's 25 foot one, not for men and women. Nobody has to go to hell. The devil's going to hell. God loves you.
Okay.
I love you. I don't hate you.
Thank you so much. All right. Have a good day. Don't let me shut up anymore.
I got love you because I love you. But God told me to do it. I'm not.
No, he did not. He told you to do that because God is
Bible
about
said, show
love.
me that. Can I show you the
God
scripture?
is about love, right?
Show me the baby. God is love, and He wants you in heaven. He don't want you in hell with the devil. I don't want you to go there. Not because of that. Not because of that. I love you. I didn't say I hate you.
You sinned. You said you're a sinner.
Yeah, but I took a free gift. I'm not going to hell now. And you don't have to go.
Get back.
I'm not going to hell. You don't have to go. I love you. I'm not preaching no hate to you. Don't try that. I love you. I'm not preaching no hate to you. I love you. That's God's word. That's not mine.
No, it's not. That's your
So you
word.
tell me,
God
you read the Bible? You read the Bible?
No.
Who made the book? Man wrote the book? Who made the book? Who made the Bible? Who made the Bible? It's not a skin issue, it's sin. Everyone's a sinner. Black, white, Chinese, everyone's a sinner. Nobody's better than nobody. I'm not better than you. I take a free gift.
We are all living
Right,
in this world.
But you're going to go to heaven. You want you to help the devil.
No, I want to live in this world in heaven and be okay with living right now. I don't want to think about where I have to go.
You're going to heaven. You don't have to go to heaven.
Why?
Because He paid for it already.
We are living together right now.
No, He paid for your
Why
sins
can't we
already.
make this paradise?
Your sins already.
Why can't we make this paradise?
No, because they're going to shoot the wars. How you going to make this paradise when people are
Go
dying?
sit down, Dad.
How you going to make this paradise when
If
people
you
are
can't
dying?
agree, go ahead.
We
Sit
got to
down.
agree because I love you.
No, you don't.
He said, I do. If I don't warn you to tell you that hell prepare for the devil's anger, I don't love you. If somebody in a fire burning, and I don't tell you to get out because the fire's on the house on fire, I don't love you. Makes sense, right? I don't hate you now. Come on now. Thank you for I love you. The devil don't love you. Satan is a liar. He hates all of us. The devil hates all of us. He loves you. I want you to go to heaven. I don't want you to go there.